Hey, how you doing? So today let's discuss about the Harley Bank versus the Discover Bank. All right. In case you know, the Discover hit online banking. All right. Then talk about the Harley Bank also, which is an online bank that provides a wide range of financial services. Okay, and they are known for their high yield saving account types of structure. Okay, and interest bearing checking account and competitive CD rates. All right. So they also offer robust digital tools such as user-friendly mobile application and features like savings buckets, for goal-oriented saving, right? And they also provide, an investment platform called Ali Invest, okay, which offers commission-free trades on stocks and ETFs and also options for retirement accounts, okay? Talking about the Discover Bank, it's another prominent online bank which is part of Discover Financial Services, known for its credit card offerings, and they offer a variety of banking products including high yield saving accounts and money market accounts and CDS, and also known for cash back deposit accounts, and which provides 1% cash back on up to $3,000 in debit card purchases each month. All right, and it's been recognized for strong customer service and occasional promotions such as saving bonuses. Okay, talking about this, let's talk about differences between Ali Bank and the Discover Bank. Now, talking about the interest rate, well, the Ali Bank, they are kind of competitive, but they are slower than Discover, okay? But typically they are slightly lower than Discover, okay? But when it comes to Discover, they offer slightly higher interest rates on saving account, which means in this aspect the Discover hit is still best, okay, when it comes to interest rate, okay? So the Discover is best for higher yields. All right, now the aspect of cash back on debit card, with the Ali there is no cash back on debit card purchases, okay, but when it comes to Discover, they have 1% cash back on up to $3,000 in debit card purchases each month. So in this aspect, the best overall is to Discover for the cash back rewards. All right, talking about the customer service, generally they are there's the positive feedbacks, but occasionally issues reported within the access of Ali Bank and also resolution times. Okay, so when it comes to Ali Bank, they have a good customer service, but there are still some reports and also complaints. Okay, but talking about Discover, they are still highly praised for customer service and quick resolution times. So in this aspect of customer service, the Discover is still the best for customer service. Talking about the ATM fees reimbursement, with Ali Bank you have $10 per month in ATM fee reimbursement, okay, but talking about the Discover, there is no ATM fee reimbursement. So overall, the Ali Bank is still the best for ATM fee reimbursement. All right, and access to Zelle, okay, when it comes to Ali, you have full support access to Zelle for quick peer-to-peer payments, okay, but talking about the Discover, it does not support Zelle, okay. So best in these, the Ali Bank is still the best for Zelle access. Let's talk about the mobile application and online tools. When it comes to the Ali Bank, they are known for a highly intuitive and feature-rich app, including saving buckets for budgeting. All right, but talking about the Discover It, the app is also user-friendly, but they lack some of the advanced budgeting tools. So in the aspect of mobile app and online tools, the Ali Bank is still the best when it comes for digital tools. All right, so let's talk about saving features. The Ali Bank, they offer saving buckets and surprise savings tools, okay, for better money management. All right, there are a lot of surprise saving tools right here in the Ali Bank, but the Discover, they have basic saving account features without any additional budgeting tools. So best here is the Ali Bank for the saving features. Talking about the investment services, the Ali Bank provides invest with commission-free trading, okay, and also they offer retirement accounts and robo-advisor options, okay. But with the Discover, they do not offer investment services. So best in these is the Ali Bank because they offer investment services. Let's talk about credit card offerings. Recently, Ali Bank started offering credit card, but primarily focused on banking, okay. So but when it comes to the Discover, they are known for its extensive range of credit cards, okay, with various rewards programs. So in this aspect of credit card offerings, the Discover it is still the best, okay, because they have several credit card options. All right, also account bonuses. When it comes to Ali Bank, they rarely offer new account bonuses, okay. I Discover, they frequently offers bonuses for new saving accounts and promotions. In this aspect of account bonuses, the Discover is still the best, okay. Talking about checking account features, okay, Ali Bank they offer interest bearing checking accounts, okay, with competitive rates, all right. And when it comes to Discover, they do not provide interest on checking accounts, but they offer 1% cashback, which in this aspect I think the Ali Bank is still the best because they offer interest bearing checking accounts. All right, now let's talk about the external account linking. With the Ali Bank, they allow linking external accounts even if the name does not match. Okay, you can always link external accounts, but with the Discover, they have more restrictions on linking external accounts. So in this aspect of external account linking, the Ali Bank is still the best for external account linking. All right, now let's talk about CD, which is certificate of deposits, because I've been saying CD and you might be wondering what that is. Certificate of deposit option, which for Ali Bank they offer no penalty for CDs and competitive rates on standard CDs. All right, but Discover they offer a variety of CDs but no non-penalty option. So when it comes to this aspect, the Ali Bank is still the best for CD or certificate of deposit flexibility. All right, now let's talk about deposit methods. With the Ali Bank, you cannot deposit cash directly, okay, because you require electronic or check deposit. But when it comes to this Discover, they allow cash deposits through partner locations like Walmart and a few others in the future. So in this aspect, the Discover is still the best for cash deposit. Let's talk about the fee structure, which is the last difference I'm going to be talking about here, the 15th one, and it's generally low fee across its services. And that is with Ali, they have general low fee across their services, okay. But when it comes to the Discover, they also offer low fee but with additional benefits like cash deposit options, okay. So in this aspect, it's a tie between the two platforms because it depends on specific needs. Now my best and final choice among the both is no other one than the Ali Bank. The first reason why I choose Ali Bank is their comprehensive digital tools, because the savings buckets and surprise savings features which make it easier to manage finances and achieve saving goal. It's a very good one for any user. And also the investment options, because with Ali Invest provide a seamless way to manage both your banking and investment accounts under one platform. All right, and also the ATM fee reimbursement, it's also a good one because the $10 monthly ATM fee reimbursement, it offers flexibility and cost savings for customers like you and I who frequently use out of the network ATMs, right? And another reason is the Zelle access, because the ability to use Zelle for fast peer-to-peer payments, it adds convenience and efficiency. And also the fact that there is no non-penalty CDs in a certificate of deposit, it kind of offers more flexibility with no penalty CDs, and it allows you as a customer to withdraw your funds without losing interest in your financial need changes. All right, so overall, while Discover offers attractive cashback features and strong customer service, the Ali Bank still has comprehensive digital tools, investment services, and also overall flexibility, which makes it a more versatile and customer friendly choice for those seeking a well-rounded banking experience. So that is what I have for you today. And if you feel like, okay, Maverick, maybe there's still the reason why Discover is still the best than Ali, then you can let us know in the comment box, and other people will be able to learn more from you. And if you also agree with me that the Ali Bank is still the best, then go ahead, let me know in the comment box. It will also help other people to learn more. But overall, my best year between Ali Bank and Discover is Ali Bank. Thank you very much for your time. I will see you in the next video.